Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now choose sound over here and click on vibrate for calls. Here you can pick one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Now you can click on the switcher next to synchronize ring vibration to enable or disable this option, and tap on advance. Then scroll down and click on the switchers next to touch vibration and charging sounds and vibration to enable or disable vibrations for those two features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!